On today's episode of How to Clean Everything, we are getting rid of limescale in our kettles in under 10 seconds. If you don't believe me, keep watching. There is a reason why this video is under 2 minutes long. You're going to need to get yourself a bottle of concentrated cleaning vinegar, and that is it. Make sure the kettle is empty before you begin, and then add 1 capful of the concentrated vinegar to your kettle and swirl around. The limescale will begin to disappear in seconds due to the strong acetic acid reacting with the calcium carbonate in the limescale. It will then turn into a soluble salt and carbon dioxide, and you can just rinse out your kettle and admire the shine. Spring cleaning just got a whole lot easier. You're welcome. I hope you are enjoying this mini series, and don't forget, if you are new here, to click the subscribe button, and also don't forget, if you have made it this far in this very short video, to go ahead and click the like button. There are of course other cleans that you can watch within this series, so if you are seeing this as the first one, don't forget to go back and watch the others. You might find something very helpful for you this spring cleaning season. If you do find things helpful as well, don't forget to share them with your friends and your family by clicking on the share button. And as always, I love you lots, and until next time, for goodness sake, keep it clean. Bye guys.